Y'all ready? Flat ass.
Cheers.
Come on. Correct. Correct. Stand on it. Stand on it. Correct. Pump panel. Show me where the pump panel is on the truck. The pump panel. The pump panel. The pump panel.
Y'all go over there.
Show me where the pump panel is. Correct. An inlet on the truck. An inlet. A water inlet where water goes into the truck. Correct. An outlet. Show me an area where water comes out of the truck. Correct. A cross leg. Show me where the cross leg is. A cross leg. A cross leg. A cross leg. Cross leg. Nope. A cross leg. Come on, show me where a cross leg is. Okay, if the truck is running like this and I'm trying to draw a cross, where's it gonna go? No. Wrong. Cross leg. Show me where a cross leg is on the truck. I told y'all a million times that's usually the first line we pull off the truck to fight a fire. Where's the cross leg? Incorrect. No, incorrect. Correct. Air bottle. Show me where extra air, not an air pack, an extra air bottle. Correct. Show me where the pickaxe is. We go. Correct. Correct. Show me where the extension ladder is. Open the door and show me which ladder is the extension ladder. Which one's the extension ladder? Correct. The hydrant bag. The hydrant pack. Where is it? Correct. SCBA air pack, the full thing with the face mask, everything. Show me where it's at. Okay, water extinguisher. Show me where the water extinguisher is. Show me which one is for. Water extinguisher. 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 Open it up and show me which one it is. Which extinguisher? Correct. The flat axe. I already asked you that.
Yeah.
A minute 36 seconds.